Ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba ng pagiging masinop sa pagiging kuripot? Knowing how to distinguish luxury from necessity is oftentimes people don't know how to draw the line between the two. And it's usually due to not having clear financial goals. Kasi if you don't have clear financial goals, malilito ka talaga kung masinop ka ba o kuripot ka. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin, ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba ng pagiging masinop sa pagiging kuripot? Ang masinop kasi is pagiging sistematiko, pagiging maayos, maingat, o maalam sa pagkilos, pagplano, paggamit ng bagay-bagay. Pero ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin sa pagiging masinop ay sa konteksto ng finances o kapirahan. Ngayon, alam na natin yung masinop, di ba? So, meron na tayong clear na idea on that. Pagiging sistematiko, maayos, maingat, di ba? Or pinagpaplanuhan mo yung paggamit ng isang bagay. And ngayon, ano ba yung pagiging kuripot? Yung kuripot kasi is you don't want to spend money. Diba? Kasi ang gusto mo is to hoard money. Gusto mo ipunin lang yung pera. To the point na kahit basic needs na yan or kahit necessity na yan, ayaw mo pa din gumastos. Yun yung kuripot. Now, let's draw the line kasi it's important na alam natin ang pinagkaiba o yung difference nila. Okay? So, ayun. Isa din, additionally, personally, ako, lagi nila ako nililabel as kuripot because what I want is more practical and I take a lot of consideration before buying things. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po ako talaga basta-basta bumibili ng isang bagay. I need to consider this, I need to consider that, is it practical, something like that. But taking all of those consideration is not being kuripot, but it is being masinop. Okay? And to those who knows me, you will often see me na naglalakad pa uwi. It's not because I'm kuripot at wala akong pamasahe, but it's more on I enjoyed walking and it's good for health. And speaking of health, number one, na iwasan mo maging kuripot is when it comes to your health. Your health is your best asset. In worst case scenario, yung sobrang pagtitipid mo sa health mo, it can cost you more. Kaya maging masinop ka. Kasi sa pagiging masinop is also knowing what will be more beneficial sa iyo. Masinop kasi is not, you will not spend. Okay? Hindi naman kasi ganun yung masinop na hindi ka gagastos. Okay, kuripot yon. But rather, you will spend because it aligned in your financial goals. Di ba? Kaya ka magkakaroon ng ganyang purchase or kaya ka gagastos dyan is because naka-align siya sa financial goals mo. Okay, now, as a self-proclaimed masinop, I bought things that quite expensive for me because I believe meron siyang magandang return. If meron siyang magandang return, gagastusan ko siya. I will spend money, I will spend penny on that. Okay? This leads us to my next point. And my next point is huwag kang maging kuripot to things that can improve you and can contribute to your self-growth. Okay? Huwag kang manghinayang kung you will grow on that. Investment mo yan. That is your investment. Kung you will grow, kung makakakontribute siya sa self-growth mo, go. Huwag kang manghinayang on that. Kasi, ano ba yung example ng mga things that can contribute to your self-growth? It can be trainings, workshops, seminars, di ba? But one thing, what makes you productive is also part of it. Kung ano yung mas nagiging productive ka, nagkukos sa'yo na mas maging productive ka, part yon. Okay? In my experience, I bought a coffee maker. Siguro some of you will say na, di naman necessity yan eh. That may be true, but it makes me productive. Kasi coffee is my daily driver. Every time I need to do something or may kailangan akong tapusin, coffee is my best work buddy. And alam yan ng mga ka-workmate ko. And recently, I bought then a lampshade. Kamakailan lang yan. Last Saturday ata yan. And that lampshade naman is for my table. Dito kung saan ako nagwo-work. It is quite expensive in my own definition of what is expensive. But this one helps me naman to work at night and early in the morning kasi I'm an early bird person and I also read books. So, it helps me then kapag nagre-read ako ng books or report. Take note then that books are also good investment. Dati kasi I don't like books, but now gusto ko nang magpunta sa bookstore para bilhin ang Psychology of Money. Maganda yan. Tingnan natin. And yan. So all in all, kuripot is not spending because you want to keep the money, while on the other hand is Yung pagiging masinop is knowing when to spend and how to spend it wisely. Additionally, pagiging masinop can make you spend more, but that spending is because that will be beneficial to you. Yun lang. Bye!